Hello guys, today I will show you how to hack most of the Android games on mobile phone. So guys, let's start. Today I will gonna hack this game named Temple Run. So guys, for this you have to need an app named Lucky Patcher. You will find this app on Google Play, not on Google Play, but on Google Chrome or like browsers. You have to search for it like how I am doing. Wait and see. So from here you can download any of these options. So now let's root. Let's hack this game. So first open Temple Run. First play this game. Quickly close it. Now just go to now it will take some time. Wait. Now just go to Temple Run option and go to this third option, open menu of patches, then create modify apk file. Then there will be four options mainly, but now here it also shows custom patch. So what you have to do is just go to the apk rebuild for in-app and lvp whatever. So just click on it, rebuild the app. Just wait for some seconds. It will also take some minutes or two, so just wait. It will take some time, so let me tell you about this app in detail. This app will work on Android phones mainly. If you have an Android of 5.1 or above, this app will work. And if you have Android like KitKat and all that Jelly Bean, so for that you have to need an rooted device. So it's showing that our hack has been success. So just go to the file, go to this, and here will be five options. Just go to the uninstall and install option. First uninstall this game, then again install it. Now just go to open. Now just play this game. First go, there will be some options. Go to the main menu. So first you have to play this game. Never mind guys, you have to do this. They are showing us the tutorial, so whatever they are showing we have to keep following this. Then afterward there will be an option of shops. Just go for that and you will earn lots of money. If you don't see this, I'm not that good in this game, but trying my best. So guys, after playing for 5 minutes, now it's showing the option of store. Just click on it. Now you can see we have only 85 coins. So just we have to going more coins. Click on it. Now there are lots of options. So thanks. Just go this one. Now option from Lucky Patches. So what you have to do is just click on this option, save patches for restore, and third option, auto repeat purchase with the current setting. Then just click on yes. Look, now your money. Then again click on it. Then again click on it. As many clicks and as many money you will get. Now just click on back. Now purchase whatever you want. Buy any character, then you can click on this. Guys, this is my second video, so I hope you like it. If you like it, then please like or comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. As many you will subscribe, I will make more and more videos. Thank you for watching guys.